Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you 8 ways to improve your life right now. In this video, I'll be going over 8 simple things that you can do to make your life better. And most of these things, you can make the change right now. You can do them right now. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first way to improve your life right now is to start working out or work out more than you currently do. Now, working out does a great deal of good things on your body. With your body, I should say, or for your body. I'm a very busy person and I still find the time to work out at least once a week. And if I only go once a week to the gym, then that is going to be a solid workout, like an hour and a half. Listen, as busy as you are, as busy as you might be, everybody can find the time to work out. And I'll tell you why. You don't have to go to the gym. You can literally do 50 push-ups a day, and that will be amazing for your body. If you don't work out and you do 50 push-ups a day, that'll be amazing for your body. If you can do those 50 push-ups straight, it'll take you like less than a minute or 2 minutes. Even if you break them up and you take a little break between each set of, let's say, 10, it'll take you like 5 minutes. Everybody has 5 minutes in their day. Even the busiest people have 5 minutes in their day to do 50 push-ups. And if you already work out, just add on 50 push-ups a day to your current workout schedule. The second way to improve your life right now is to make one healthy meal choice. That's right. I'm not telling you to diet. I'm not telling you to create this crazy meal plan. You can do that. But right now, you want to improve your life today, right now, what you should do is make one healthy meal choice. Figure out your next meal. And if it's not healthy, make it a healthy meal choice. If it is already healthy, add in some healthy options. Maybe have some celery sticks with peanut butter. Maybe have some fruits and vegetables. Maybe add in a salad or some lean protein. Whatever the case is, you want to make one healthy meal choice that will allow you to improve your life right now. The third way to improve your life right now is to work an extra hour today. Now, if you have the time, work an extra hour today. Here's the thing, even if you don't have the time, make the time. Because like I said, I'm a busy person. I love spending as much time as I can with my family, and I still find time to work as much as I can, to earn as much money as I can, to have as much freedom as I desire. How do you do that? Well, some nights you got to sacrifice some sleep. Maybe once a week, or tonight, instead of sleeping 8 hours, you're only going to sleep 7. If you regularly sleep 7, maybe you're only going to sleep 6. If you regularly sleep 6, maybe you're only going to sleep 5. Or maybe instead of working an extra hour, you're just going to work much faster. So instead, today, if you regularly deal with 10 clients and 10 clients in 10 hours, maybe you're going to do 11 clients in 10 hours, which is therefore going to add on a 10% sort of bonus on your 10 hours, which is like an hour difference. So it's as simple as that. Work an extra hour or work much faster. The fourth way that you can improve your life right now is to spend 5 minutes meditating or clearing your mind. Now, it's not only about meditation in terms of closing your eyes and just humming, and that's not the only way to meditate. People think that that's the only way to meditate, but in my opinion, meditation is any way that you can clear your mind in a relaxed environment. Now, for me, it's when I take a nice, long, warm shower. It allows me to just have those shower thoughts, those thoughts that pop into your head when your brain isn't really thinking about anything. That is my version of meditation, right? But it's completely up to you. But you want to spend 5 minutes today just meditating. Close your eyes in a quiet environment, in your car with everything off. Close your eyes and just think about nothing and see the thoughts that pop into your mind. You'll have these amazing thoughts that you probably wouldn't have on a regular basis. Moving forward to the fifth way to improve your life right now, clean part of your house or your room. You want to literally pick a small part of your house or your room and clean it. Maybe it's a drawer, maybe it's a room, maybe it's a couch, maybe it's an area of the floor that has stains on it. Pick one small part and clean it today. It's going to make you feel so much better because your room or your house will be cleaner. The sixth way to improve your life right now is to write out your daily goals. It'll take you like 5 minutes, probably not even 5 minutes. Write out what your goals are for today. Whatever your goals are for today, fitness related, finance related, work, relationship related, self-improvement related, whatever they are, write them down. It'll take you a few minutes. You'll feel much better. Your life will end up being better, especially if you can do it on a daily basis and make a habit out of it. The 7th way to improve your life right now is to write down the things that you're grateful for. Pick 1, 2, 3 things that you're grateful for. Even if you're in the worst mood and you think that your life is horrible, you can still be grateful for some things. Be grateful for the fact that you're here and that you're able to watch this video. Be grateful for the fact that you get to see trees, the road, cars. Be grateful for the fact that you have anything at all. So with that being said, just take a few minutes and write down the things that you're grateful for. Even if it's only one thing, make sure to write it down. Moving forward to the last one, which is number 8. Laugh right now and laugh every day. Take 10, 20, 30 seconds and just laugh. Like legitimately, literally, just laugh. It actually will totally improve your mood. It's something so simple. You can do it right now and it'll totally improve your life right now. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over 8 ways to improve your life right now. If you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.